I'm going to show you how to create a bookings page that will lock the meetings into the Eastern Standard Time, or for some of you into the Central Standard Time zone, and will not only easily allow students to schedule advising appointments with you that don't conflict with your Outlook Express calendar, but also to make sure that there's no miscommunication in terms of the time of the meeting. The way to do this is not to create a personal booking page, but rather to create a shared booking page and just use it as an individual. So come over here, create booking page, create from scratch, give it a name, choose business type. In this case, I am choosing education. You can actually change your business hours, lots of different things. These are just your default general business hours. This bookings does talk to your Outlook Express calendar. So anything you schedule in your Outlook Express calendar will automatically prevent people from scheduling an appointment with you during that time period. So really easy to protect specific meetings using your Outlook Express calendar. Next, it'll ask you to add people to your organization. You don't want to do that. You just want to leave yourself, and you're going to be the administrator by default. Next, set up a service. This is an appointment type. They've created office hours by default. You can change that if you want. I'm creating it advising, and you can choose to default to a Teams meeting or not to choose to default to a Teams meeting. Date service. Next. Set permissions for who can see the bookings page and check availability for booking appointment. Because students may be contacting you using Gmail or something like that, I would recommend choosing anyone. So people outside your organization can book appointments with you. Create. Now it's going to set up this booking page. And we haven't gotten to the importance part yet, where you lock in those time zones. And I'll show you a couple other fun things you can do with it. Oh, this is exciting. I don't think I've enjoyed watching something so much since I repainted the barn and I got to stand there and watch the paint dry. All right, now they've created a link. You can share it. I'm just going to share it just to make sure I've got it copied. All right, then it tells you to get started. And it'll show you something like this. This is the step where you want to lock things in. If you look over here, you've got advising appointments, you've got calendar, you've got your bookings page. Click the bookings page. If you look down this menu here after you've clicked the bookings page, you'll see region and time zone settings right here at the bottom, region and time zone settings. Click that arrow. Choose Eastern Standard Time, except for those of you who are operating in Central. Then click Always Show Time Slots in Business Time Zone. And then click that blue check, then click Save up here. And booyah! That locks the available appointment times into the Eastern Time Zone by default. No more a student scheduling in specific time zone without them realizing it. Another fun thing we can do, as long as we're looking at this, you can customize your page. You can choose a color scheme here and set a custom color. You can also choose to display a business logo or not display a business logo. So that's another fun thing you can do here. But now we've got that. We can go back to business information. And here you can add a logo if you want to. So if you want to, you can upload a fun picture or a photograph of yourself. You can also alter your business hours if you want to. So lots of fun things you can do from this, in addition to just booking information. But now you have a shareable booking page that defaults to the correct times. And once you do that, you can add it to your signature. That's all.